Hi, everyone. My name is Audrey Boydston, and I'm thrilled to partner with Rentouch and spend some time with you. Whether you're a new RTE or you have been in this role for quite some time, you know that interacting with your product management team is most likely a daily occurrence. But do you ever wonder if there was some way to improve those interactions? To create a partnership, perhaps? We'd love for you to join us for this workshop where we will explore some common connections between you and your product management team and expand that to areas that you may not have considered yet. This is a great opportunity for you to meet and learn alongside other RTEs from across the planet as you ideate on these roles and how you, as RTEs, can truly make a difference in this very crucial relationship. We hope to see you there.